Hello students, this is your favorite online class homework and exam help tutor here. For those of you new to my channel, I'm a US-based online tutor that helps students with proctored exams, quizzes, tests, homework assignments, essays, discussion posts, and entire online courses on their behalf. Okay, so for this video, what I'm going to do is complete this college algebra final exam on MyMathLab for one of my students for the spring 2022 semester. Alright, so without further ado, here we go. I'm going to do this in one attempt, and the video is going to be completely unedited, and you'll see my entire process for how I solve for exams. Okay, so this video should prove beyond a reasonable doubt that I'm a legit exam help tutor, and that I'm not a scammer as some people on the internet are saying. Okay, so I'm going to complete this exam right now. Okay, just open it up to MyMathLab. Okay, here it is, College Algebra, Spring 2022, first half. Okay, going down to week 8, class 15, final exam. Alright. Okay, let me see if I can get the camera to start working. Okay, great. So the camera's now on the final exam. Okay, it's loading. Okay, question 1. Graph the equation using a graphing utility. Okay. Hold on. Let me just move this thing here. Alright. Let me just move. Okay. Let me solve for this problem. Hold on. Let me just quickly move to this. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now I think it should be working. F of x equals 15x squared minus 22. Okay. This is a software that I like to use in order to do simple calculations and math equations, so that I can save time and energy and ensure that the answers I get are correct. Okay. The y-intercept is negative 22. Okay. X-intercept. The x-intercept are square root of 22 over 15 and negative square root of 22 over 15. Okay. I think I should probably rationalize this denominator. Yeah. technically, I think rationalizing the denominator will prove to be correct. Okay, sorry about that. I got a text. Okay, square root of 15 over square root of 15. Okay. Okay, it's not differentiating. I mean, it's not rationalizing. Okay, wait. I think I need to type in this command. Hold on. Rationalize. Let's see if that works. Okay, 330, square root of 330 over 15. Perfect. Let's eliminate this. Over 15. Okay. Alright, so let's try questions. I finished question 1, now moving on to question 2. Find the real solutions of the following equation. Use a quadratic formula. Yeah, screw that. I'm just going to use this calculator to save time and energy. Okay, minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Oh, in case you're interested in knowing what this software is called, it's called SymbolLab. SYMBOLAB. I have a pro subscription to this, so it's really helpful, and I use it all the time when it comes to like subjects like algebra and calculus. It's very useful. It helps me get work done faster. So if you're a student who actually wants to do some math problems on their own, I would strongly suggest you invest in this software. Okay. And I'm not a sponsor for it. They're not sponsoring me for this video, so it's not like I'm getting anything from the offer. Okay, question 2 is complete. Moving on to question 3. A bank loaned out 13. Loaned out. That's incorrect English. The proper English is lent $13,000, not loaned out, but whatever. Okay, loaned out $13,000. Part of it at a rate of 9% per year. The rest is 17% per year. Interest received in 1 year, total $1,500. Okay. 9%, 17%, 13,000. Got it. 9%. 9%. And what was the other? 13%? Let me just double check. Oh, 17%. 9%, 17%. And the total amount in interest was $1,500. And x plus y equals 13,000. 13,000 is the amount total of the loan. Okay, so x is 8875. That's the 9% one, which is what we're looking for. 8875. Okay. Oh, whoops. Hold on. All right. 8875. Okay, find the equation of the line containing the point. Okay, this one's simple. -5, 1, -5, -1, -4, 1. Alright, got it. Slope, intercept, -5, -1. Okay, and -4, 1. Okay, slope, intercept form. Y equals 2x plus 9. Got it. 2x plus 9. Perfect. Question 4 is done. Moving on. Okay. Standard form of the equation of this circle. Okay, so it's x plus 8 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals the radius is 10. 10 squared is 100. The general form of this equation, alright, general form is x plus 8 squared y plus 6 squared equals 100. Alright. Let me just double check that there's a standard form and general form. Circle. Like just to make sure. Image. Okay, according to this, write the equations are on standard form. Okay, so that's standard form. Got it. Okay, now just double check what the general form is, just to refresh my memory. Okay, great. Now I feel totally confident in this problem. Good, I got the standard form right. Now let me just go back to general form. Okay, let me just use this command, expand. With this software, you can do commands. Okay, minus 100. Perfect. Alright, x squared. X squared. Let me just double check that general form. X squared plus y squared. Okay. X squared plus y squared plus 16x. Oh jeez. Okay, I'm getting a text from one of my students. Okay, I'll answer it after I finish this problem. Okay. Okay, that should be it. So now to graph the circle, it's at -8. Okay, -6. Perfect. And then the radius is 10. So at x equals -8 plus 10, that means x equals +2. Okay. Alright, perfect. Alright, let me just take a quick break and just answer this text I have from a student. What is she saying? Jeez. Correct. Okay, she's having a question on one of the solutions I sent. Okay, let me just quickly respond to this. Okay, question 7. Okay, question 7 is 1/3, or is it? Alright, oh, jeez. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Normally I wouldn't answer, it wouldn't like respond to a text while I'm doing work because the timer's on. But this is just fairly short, so I'm just gonna finish this up. 4, 6, 8, 7, 5. Oh, my music turned off. Okay. Alright, good. Back to the question. Question 6. The average cost per hour in dollars of this equation. Minimize average cost. Okay. Alright, 0.6 x squared plus 19x minus 262 plus 2700 over x. Okay, and that's it. Perfect. So then therefore we're going to minimize this function. So with this, the cool thing about this software is that you can just type in a function here and it will tell you information about the function, including its x-intercepts, y-intercepts, the minimum value, the maximum value if they exist, the domain, the range. Yeah. This one might be a little tougher since it has like for example 200 showing 700 over x, which is not technically a normal polynomial, but oh, looks like it solved anyway. Okay, the minimum value is at x is 9.44. Let's see here. Round to nearest whole number. 9.44 is just 9. The minimum average cost is 256.8. So that means 257. Oh, to nearest cent. Okay, $256.85. So $256.85. All right. Question 7. Oh boy. Suppose the x-intercepts of the graph are 8 and 9. Okay. Okay, x plus 9 means it shifts 9 units to the right. Okay. So therefore, 8 minus 9, those are the x-intercepts. 8 minus 9 is negative 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay. This one shifts be 8 units to the right. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay. Let's see. The x-intercepts. 2 f of x. I don't think that affects it. I think it should be the same. 8, 9. Because like when you think about it, x squared, 2x squared. Yeah, it should be the same. The x-intercept of the graph for f of negative x. Okay, let me just do a little testing. Alright. F of negative x. Okay, let's try something. Okay. X minus 2 squared. Okay, so obviously for this, the answer is obviously for the x-intercept 2. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here. So let's see, x plus 2, x minus 4. Okay. Expand. So negative 2 and 4. Those are the x-intercepts. Negative 2 and 4. Negative 2 and 4. Remember that, Albert. Remember that, Jim. Okay. Okay, I'm substituting for negative x. Negative 2 and 4. Okay, so this becomes positive 2 and negative 4. Okay, so the sign switch. Okay, so this becomes negative 8 and negative 9. Okay, good, I figured that out. Moving on to question 8. Okay, What value of x does f of x equal 6? Okay, according to the graph, it's 21. Alright. B, what value does equal 15? It's 84. Okay, this seems fairly simple. All the answers are on the graph. F of x equals 0. Negative 21 is x for when f of x equals 0. For which values is f of x greater than 6? F of x greater than 6 is for every x. Okay, 21 to infinity. Okay, perfect. Okay, negative 15. Oh, what? Oh, sorry, less than 15. Okay, negative infinity to 84. Okay, perfect. Good. Okay, from 0 to 0 to 15, so there's negative 21 to 84. 15. Perfect. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, moving on to question 9. Okay, determine without graphing whether it has a minimum or maximum value. Okay. Two x squared plus 20x minus 4. The minimum value is negative 5, negative 54. Okay, negative 54. Good. That was really simple. Moving on. Question 10. Okay. Traveling to draw. Oh, what? Sorry. Okay, I apologize, people. I have another student still bugging me about the homework. Okay, let's quickly answer this text. Okay, back to business. 1.2v. Okay, let me just write this here. 1.2v, or well, let's just replace with x for simplicity's sake, so it doesn't confuse the software. V plus 0.04 x squared. Okay, how many feet does it take a 40 miles per hour car to stop on dry level concrete? Okay, 40. Okay, so x equals 40. 112, according to this. Okay. Maximum speed. Okay. Just type in the function and determine the vertex. Okay. Interesting. The vertex is negative 15, but that doesn't make any sense in the context of the problem. Oh wait, if an x occurs 200 feet ahead. Oh, d is the distance. Okay, 200. Okay, got it. Place f of x at 200. Okay, 57.28. 57.2. So just round down to 57. Okay, that's it for question 10. Now moving on to question 11. Largest area that can be enclosed. Okay, this one I'm going to use Wolfram Alpha. This is another software that I like to use for more complex problems like this one. Okay, 500 meters of fencing, one enclosed and rectangular plot. What is the largest area that can be enclosed? Oh wait, actually, I don't think. Wait, when I think about it, this problem doesn't look that difficult. Okay, never mind. Actually, okay, you know what? I'll use this app just to show what it can do. Okay, for this problem, even though I can totally use the other one. Okay, maximize z equals f 500 2x times x, 500 minus 2x times x. We'll change this to y. Okay. Alright. Does not fence alongside him. Okay. Alright. Let's see here. Let's see what this says. Okay. So x, the value of x is 125, and the maximum area is 31,250. Okay. 31,250 square meters. See, that one solved it quite quickly. Oh, jeez. Okay. Let's see here. Graphing utility. Okay. 10, 31, 42, 46. 10, 31, 42, 46. Nope, it's not that one. 10, 31, 42, 46, 40, 24. This one looks correct. Let's check the others. No, that's all going downward. Okay, so B is obviously the correct answer based on the notation. What type of relation exists between the variables? This looks quadratic, where A is negative. Okay. Line of best fit. Oh boy. Okay. Let me just use my TI-84 Plus calculator that I have in my hand right now. So it's not shown on screen, but I'll just do the calculations right here and type it into the MyMathLab exam. 10, 9, 6, 4, 31, 130. That clicking sound, that's my calculator being used. 46, 693, and 40, 476, 24, 502. Okay, now quadratic quadrant L1, L2. Alright. Okay, and how many decimal places are around this to? 3 decimal places. Okay. Negative 44.928. Okay, round down to B 4283.676. Okay, and then negative 55,817.589. Cool. Wow. Okay. During the age where individuals can expect to earn the most income. Okay, so I'm gonna determine the maximum. Alright. 0. So I'm gonna set my parameters. 0, 100. 0 to let's say 80,000, or actually let's make it 100,000. For Y max, L scale, let's make it 10,000. I actually make it 5,000. Okay. All right. Yeah, you all can't see what I'm doing right now. So okay. Maximum value. I'm using my calculator to determine the maximum value based on this graph I just made. Okay. At round to nearest tenth, 47.7, okay, years of age, which is consistent with this with the data here. The peak income is about 46290 to the nearest dollar. Okay, scatter plot. Let's see which one matches the most. Interesting. A seems to match closely. Alright, let me see here. Okay. Oh, that was a doozy for a problem. Okay. Let's see here. Draw a scatter plot of data. 6, 9, 11, 9. Okay, 6, 9, 11, 9, yes. 7, okay. 5, 6, 6. Okay, A seems to be correct. Let me just double check the others. No. 6, 9, 11, 9, 7. No. Okay, so A is correct. Which describes this data? This looks a little quadratic. Or actually, maybe even like, what's it? Cubic? Yes, cubic. Okay. Oh, perfect. Use this function to predict the number of hurricanes. Okay, let me just use my calculator. Okay, 0.159 x cubed. Okay, so for 1961, 1970, that's x equals 5. Okay, let me just type this into my graphing calculator and determine the value of h of x where x equals 5. Okay, 2320 x squared plus 9.330x minus 1.214. Okay. Set the window to 0 to 10. Scale of 1 for x. Okay, 0 to 15. Scale of 1 for y. Okay. And type in. Okay, yes. This is definitely cubic. X for 5. Nearest integer is 7.311. Nearest integer, round down to 7. Okay. Let's see here. Alright, let me just graph these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 6, 9, 11, 9, 7, 5, 6, 6. Perfect. Quadratic. No, wait, cubic. Actually, no, wait. Just type this in. And C is the one that matches perfectly with what I have here. Use the model predict between 2001 and 2010. 2001 2010 will be x equals 9. Okay, so that is 10.747. Round up to nearest integer, it's just 11. The zero result up here to what the scientists believe. Yeah, basically. Support the curve. No, it's not that high. Okay, this is consistent. This contradicts it because we got 11, and if it says 5, then it contradicts it. Okay, moving on to question 14. The domain of this function, inequality. Okay. X is less than -3. Okay. And then here, x is between -2 and 2. Okay. And here, x is greater than 4. Wait, no, 3. Sorry. X is greater than 3. Okay, perfect. Okay, moving down here. The range. Okay. y is less than -2. Got it. Y is greater than -1. And that appears to be it. Okay. The x-intercepts here is, according to the graph, -2 and 2. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm supposed to take my medicine. Well, full disclosure, I've got bipolar disorder, and I'm supposed to take medicine to help calm me down. You can probably tell from my bitchy attitude in my videos that I have some mental health issues. But I'll take it after this exam's over. Okay. Okay. Back to business. Y-intercept. When x equals 0, y is equal to -1. Okay. Find the horizontal asymptote. Y equals to -2. Okay. Find the vertical asymptote. That x equals to -3 and +3. Oblique asymptote. There's none of those. Okay. Moving on to question 15. All right. Oh boy. Express the cost. I can shape the right cylinders. Okay. Volume of 500 cubic centimeters per square centimeter size. Total cost. Okay. CR. Okay. So top and bottom are 6 cents per square centimeter. Okay. Let me just go back here to the software and do this here. 0.06 times pi radius squared, and this is times 2 since it's a top and bottom. Okay, and the sides, the lateral surface, 5 cents per square centimeter, so 2 pi RH. Okay, plus 0.05, 2 pi RH. Express the total cost as a function of the radius of the cylinder. Okay. Find the right side of the equation expressed in dollars. Okay, the height. Okay. So I think I'm gonna get. Hold on. Oh, sorry. This is another student's work. Okay. Volume of right cylinder formula. Just exactly. Please note that just because I don't have the cylinder formula memorized does not mean I'm not a legit math tutor. Okay, I am a legit math expert. It's just that I can't remember every single formula I have, and especially there's no need to memorize every single formula because like I'm not like exactly this isn't like proctored. Like I can I can look up answers online if I wanted to, or like use resources like what I'm using with the software. Okay, 500 cubic centimeters. Okay. Pi radius squared h. Pi radius squared h. Okay. Okay, let me just copy all this. Okay, and say solve for h. Yes, cool thing here. You can give it commands. Okay. Okay, replace h here with this value. Okay. Expand. Okay, that looks complicated. Simplify. Interesting. This looks complicated AF. Hold on. Let me type it into Wolfram Alpha and see if that does anything. I know this looks like gibberish, but it's really good. Yeah, it's really good at like calculating stuff like that. Okay. Perfect. So that's what it looks like. Simplify. Type an exact answer in terms of pi. Oh, it didn't. It didn't put pi there. Ooh. Okay. Okay. A little hack. I'm gonna replace pi with x. Okay. I'm gonna replace every pi with x. So therefore, so that it won't like calculate it with it. It'll just treat x like a variable. Okay. Let's see this. Perfect. Perfect. 0.12 pi radius squared. Pi radius squared plus 50 over r. Okay. Show the graph. Okay. Change to pi. Okay, I'm changing the x to pi and the radius r to x. I'm using x instead of r so that the software doesn't get confused and it's easier to graph. Okay, so the graph looks like this. So just choose one that matches it closely. Okay, these two. Oh, interesting. Oh boy, they all look interesting. They all look the same. What the hell? Okay. Wait, let me just use my graphing calculator. This might be simpler with my graphing calculator. Pi x squared plus 50 over x. Okay, the windows, they say 0 to 12, x scale 1, 0 to 74, y scale 9. Okay, and graph. Okay, okay. Which one is it? Let me check here. Two. 1, 2, 3. This one does look correct. I'm going to select this for now and check this one now. 1, 2, 3. Actually, this looks even more correct. Yeah, actually, this looks more correct. Oh, jeez. The graphs look so similar. Okay. 1, 2. Let me see. 9, 15, wrong. 12, 58. B looks more correct than A. Let me double check A. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no, A is not correct compared to what. Let me see. That looks too far away. And D, let's see, D. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, no, okay. So B is the obvious answer compared to what I see here. For what value of R is C at a minimum? Okay, C here is a minimum. Minimum, what value of R? Ooh, this complicated looking thing. Okay, let's see, minimize. Okay, let's copy this. When I put it in the Wolfram Alpha search thing, it looks like looks like computer science gibberish. But okay, local minimum. X equals 4.05. Okay, so radius is 4.05. Okay, so we're halfway done. Perfect. Alright, solve the inequality. Alright, for f of x is greater than 0. Okay. X plus 2, x minus 4 squared. And it's equal to or greater than 0. Alright, so therefore greater than or equal to sign 0. Okay, type it in and tell me what the solution is. Okay, negative 2 inclusive to infinity. Okay. Yeah. As you guys have probably noticed, simply having the software is not enough to do these type of problems. You need to actually know what you're doing and what commands to put in. So if you don't understand like the conceptual foundation of like the course, like the subject, like in this case algebra, then the software is not really useful if you don't know what you're doing or what to type in. So it kind of helps to learn the conceptual foundation of algebra in this case in order to know and to fully utilize the power of the software. Okay, so this one is 6 to infinity. See? Okay. Storage sells cashews for $6 per pound and peanuts for $3 per pound. Okay. C and P. Cashews for $6 per pound and peanuts for $3 per pound. So C is cashews, P is peanuts. Okay. How much do they? Okay. This manager decides to mix 40 pounds of peanuts and some cashews for a total of $4 per pound. Okay, 40 times 4. 40 times 4. And C plus P equals 40. Okay, now we put in here, solve what C and P are. Okay, this is a problem. How many pounds of each cashew? Wait, what's this here? How many cashews should be mixed with the peanuts so the mixture will produce the same revenue as with selling the nuts separately? Oh, wait a minute, hold on. 40 pounds of peanuts with some cashews. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, now I didn't read the problem correctly. 40 pounds of peanuts. So P is 40 with some cashews. Okay. Alright. $4 per pound. Alright. Cashews is 20. Selling the nuts separately. Okay, great. 19. Oh boy, this looks complicated, but I can handle it. A dietitian in the household wants to have a meal with 66 grams of protein. Okay, 7 carbohydrates, okay, blah blah blah. Okay, okay. 30p, 20c, 1a. 30p, 20c, 1a. 30p, 20c, 1a. Okay, wait, hold on. Salmon. Hold on. Wait, hold on. I think I'm doing this wrong. 20. Okay, and perfect. Perfect. Okay. And salmon, baked eggs. We'll use B since the software was turned E as like 2.7 something. Okay, 10 grams of protein. So, 10B here, 10B, 2B, 15B. Okay, good. Now we're getting somewhere. And the last one, acorn squash. Okay, A. Okay, 2A, 15A, 37A. 2A, 15A, 37A. Let me just double check this. How many servings? Okay. Total amount of protein is 66. Okay, so this equals 66. The total amount of carbohydrates is 71. Okay, 71. And the total number of vitamin A is 157 milligrams. Okay. Okay, so salmon is 1. 1 salmon. Baked eggs is 3, and acorn squash is 3. Okay. This doing by hand would take it a long ass time, but the software did it in a couple of seconds. Gotta love math. I mean, gotta love technology. Okay. Solve for x. Okay, this is gonna be okay. Let me see. Matrices. Okay. X 6 6 6x0 535. And the answer is 288. Let's see if that does anything. X equals -6. Alright. That's okay. We're more than two-thirds of the way there. Okay, this is simple. This will take a long time by hand, but thank God for online mathematical software. Okay, so x minus 2y plus 4z. Oh, whoops, hold on. X minus 2y plus 4z equals 1. Negative 3x plus 5y minus 2z equals 27. And 3x minus 2y equals -19. Okay, assuming I typed all this in correctly. Well, getting text, answer it later. Wait, what? Hold on. X equals -3. Y equals 5. And Z equals 7/2. Please note I pronounce the last letter of the alphabet Z instead of Z like they do in Canada and other British countries. Okay. I just noticed something here with the last question. It says -6 and 0. I totally ignored that 0 before. Okay. So that question's going good. Point 1 is perfect. Okay. Surface area, however long is given by this thing. Radius is increasing with time according to the formula. Find the surface area as a function of time in t. Okay. Radius is increasing. And okay, so basically, S equals 4 pi okay, wait, let's go back to algebra. Okay, S equals 4 pi, okay, radius squared. So radius is 7/9 t cubed. Okay, as a function of time. Okay, that's radius, and that's all. That whole thing is squared. Okay, expand. Wait, hold on. I know how to wait. It's gonna simplify. They're gonna treat that pi as like a regular number instead of getting in the exact value. Okay, so 196 pi t squared is it squared? Hold on, or is it to the 6? To the 6, okay, over 81. Okay, okay, okay. Our quadratic functions power is 1 to 1 y. The parabola opens to the right, so that's no, that's not correct. B represents time, so it must be written. Okay. C is not correct. It's not. No, that's not correct. Okay. The inverse function of h. Okay. Type in inverse 50 minus 4. Okay. Minus 4.9. Okay. Okay. Simplify. Okay, that's not right. Interesting. Okay, that's not correct either. Okay, something's wrong here. Okay. Factor. Please factor this. Okay, hold on. Expand. This is all under a square root sign, just to make it clear. So basically, this would be 500 minus 10x over 49 square root. Got it. Okay. 500 minus 10x over 49. Okay. How long will it take a rock to fall 40 meters? How long will it take a rock? Okay. Rewind. Right, reverse. Subtract. Okay, 50 minus 4.9 tx squared. Okay. Okay, 2.02. Okay. Alright. Let's double check instead of verify. Oh, whoops. Hold on. I just realized a mistake here. I forgot to replace the x with an h. Okay. $500 minus 10 h 30. Let's replace it with 30 over 49. Okay, let's see if it produces the same 2.02 result. Hurry up. Good, it did. So it's correct. Okay. considering the mistakes I found in here, I'm gonna like review these problems after I get to the last question. Just make sure they're okay. Okay. Find the exponential function of the form k equals ax with the equation above. Okay. I'm gonna use my graphing calculator for this thing. -1, 0, 1, 2. -1/7, -1, -7, -49. Exponential function, L1, L2, okay, Y1, okay, hold on, exponential function, okay, linear regression, exponential, okay, let's see, L1, L2, okay, I'm still getting domain error, okay, maybe I'll try power function instead, L1, L2, domain, what the hell, why is there a domain issue? -1, okay, 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 quadratic, cubic, quartic, linear regression, interesting, k equals ax, what's going on here? Okay, let me try it again. Wait, let me check if I put it in correctly. -1, -1/7, okay. 0, -1, 1, -7, okay, 2, -49, okay. Now let's see, exponents, L1, L2, error domain, fuck, okay. Why is this giving me an error message? Okay, hold on, let me try this one more time. Exponent, L1, L2, domain again. Okay, let me try another one. Jesus. Power, L1, L2. Fuck. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do it manually then. I don't know what's wrong with my calculator. It's acting ridiculous. Okay. Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, so let's see. -1/7 equals k ka to the x is -1. Okay, and then this other thing, -7 equals ka to the -7 to the ka to the +1. Okay, let's see if that figures it out. Okay, so I gave two different systems of equations here. Alright, let's see here. K is 1. Let's assume K is 1. Oh wait, actually, K must be -1, because here, you see here, -1 is K, 7 is A, 7x, okay, let me thinking. So if I plug in x for 0, 7 to 0 powers 1, 1 times -1 is -1, exactly. So that produces the correct result, and everything else will be correct. Okay, let me double check this. -1, 7x. Okay, and x equals 2. Negative 49. Perfect. This is correct. Great. Moving on. Oh, finally something simple. Okay. ln y minus 7 equals negative 8x plus LC. Oh, hold on. I forgot to give it the proper command. Okay. Solve for y. Okay, gotta give it a command. Okay. Y equals c e to negative 8x plus 7. Okay, the exact solution. This is pretty simple for my software. E to x. Oh, whoops. Okay, e to the x plus 9ex. Nine e to negative x over 2. ln 3. Decimal approximation to the solution. 1.099. Okay. Students filled out my online class request form. I'll check it out after this exam is done. What rate of interest compounded annually is required to double investment in 13 years? Okay. 2 equals 1 plus 1 plus r, or in this case we'll call it x. How many years? 13 years, right? Let's double check to make sure that's correct. Good, 13 years. Okay. 0.055. Okay, round to 2 decimal places. Times 100%. Let's see what this equals to. 100%. Right, this should. Okay, forget the percent. Just do 100. 5.48. Okay. Now Jim places a 10,000 in a bank account that pays 7% compounded continuously. Okay, in 2 years I have enough money to cost for 11,000. In our paying support, is this a better deal? Okay. No. The quarterly is not a better deal because continuous is always more money in the long run. But let's figure this out. 10,000. 7%, 7.8%. Okay. 0.07.8 in 2 years. $11,688. Actually, hold on. 11,688.8 11.26. Okay, 0.26. 11,688.26. Okay, he won't have enough money for that car. Damn. A car that costs $11,702. Jeez. My Honda Accord Hybrid costs like $35,000. I got that brand new in 2019. But okay. Jim will not quite. Actually, he would just barely. No, not quite. It's not just barely. Barely implies that he actually has money. Okay, 8% quarterly. Alright. 1 plus 0.08 over 4 to the 4th power times how many years? 2 years? 2 years. 11. Let me just copy this. Copy part of it. Good. There's a 3 after the 9, so that we round down. Okay. He will have enough money for the car. Okay, so in this case, the quarterly one is a better deal. I forgot to note the interest rate. The 8% is higher than 7.8%. Normally, if both interest rates were the same, the continuous will always be the better option if both the interest rates were the same, because the continuous tends to generate more money than quarterly and monthly. Okay, 29. So okay, 3,500 per year. Wow, that's expensive. Luckily, I paid my tuition scholarships. Okay, the average cost of college increases by 9.5 each year. What will be the average cost of college 12 years from now? 3,500. 9.5%. Okay, 0.095%. And how many years is that? 12? 12 years. Jesus, is this correct? Okay, is that really correct? Jeez. That sounds like a hell of a lot. Well, maybe okay. Okay. That's a lot of money, but okay. To pay for 1 year of college 12 years from now, you need to put into a savings plan. Okay. 4.6 compounded continuously. Okay. So PE 0.046 compounded continuously. 12 years. Oh, crap. Okay. 12 years from now. And the amount is this amount. 629. Okay. So this is the amount to pay. Okay. Around the 15 to 16. Okay. Jeez, that's a lot of money. I wonder if my calculations are correct, but okay. Okay, last question. Finally. Exponential law. If a population doubled in size over 10 months, and the current population is 60,000, okay. It doubled in size over, okay. 60,000, and doubles in size, so that means it was originally 30,000. Okay. EK 10 months. Okay, what would the population be 4 years from now? Okay, 4 years from now. Okay, I need to convert that into months. There are 12 months in a year. 4 years from now is 48 months. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's a lot. Copy this. Oh, student's calling me. I'll get to it later. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's all the questions. Let me just double check to make sure everything's fine. Oh, it doesn't look like I can go back and forth. Okay. All right, so I'll just type it. Okay, I'm gonna submit the test now, and let's see what the final score is. Submit test. All right, 89.3. Okay, not bad. B plus, almost close to a 90, which is an A minus. But I did complete this exam within my 80 to 100% guarantee B minus to A plus score. I got a B plus, really close to an A minus, so it's good. Okay, so to all you naysayers and mofos and haters out there who think that I'm a scammer, you literally just saw me complete this exam in 1 hour, 18 minutes, and 11 seconds, well, with some dead air in between. But I completed the exam, an algebra final exam, and I got a really high, decent score on it. Okay. I'm guessing there's some questions where I didn't get everything correct, but whatever. Let me just quickly check number 30. Wow, I was off. Okay, so I don't know what happened there. Um, hmm. Wait a minute. Current population size. Hold on. Let me see here. If it types in 60,000. Oh, I see what my mistake was. This current population is 60,000. 1671457. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Oh, if I got this question right, it would have been a 90. Oh well. Okay. Well, basically, I completed this exam. Okay. This should be a legit testament of my skills. I showed you my entire process of how I did the exam. Okay. So I am indeed legit. Okay. So thank you, City College Algebra, Spring 2022. So thank you all for watching my YouTube video of me completing this final exam for one of my students. I completed the course for him on his behalf. You can see some of the scores I got: 85, 89, 83, 83, 90, 90, 100, 92, 98, 97, 100. Exactly. See, I got really decent scores on his homework assignments and quizzes. Okay. Okay. So thank you for watching my YouTube video. Hope this should provide sufficient evidence of my legitimacy and skills as an online class exam homework tutor, and my proficiency in math, particularly in college algebra, or functions as people in Canada call it, or advanced functions if they're taking grade 12 advanced functions. I don't know why it's called that, but apparently that's what it is. Okay, I'll see you all next time. Okay.